Jesus, I come before you. I long for your return, my Lord. Let my soul be ready when you come. Cleanse my heart, prepare my life. By your blood, make me whole. I have died upon the cross. My old self is gone. I receive your living blood, flowing deep within my soul. I drink your life, I receive your grace. Let your blood cover every place, in my spirit, in my mind, in my soul, your life I find. Let your blood speak over me, over doubt and over fear. Let it wash and make me clean. Let your presence draw me near. Your blood covers me. Your blood sets me free. Every fear, every sin has no hold on me. Your blood speaks for me. Your blood gives me life. I am healed. I am yours now and full time. Let your blood fall on my thoughts. Let your blood renew my mind. Let your blood touch my lips. Every word be purified. Let your blood wash my eyes. Let me see in truth and light. Let my ears hear only you, walking in your holy way. Break my pride, break my will. Let your spirit guide me still. All my weakness, all my pain, turn it into life again. Let your cross become my way. Let your life in me remain. Let my heart be set on you. Only you, forever true. Your blood covers Jesus.